I don't know if my dad wrote it, and he'd have how they died.
Really?
So tripped over Brengan and he had a little like poem around these. They didn't look left, they didn't look right.
Just passing by altogether. Now the ladies of the harem of the court of King Caractacus were just passing by. Now the ladies of the harem of the court of King Caractacus were just passing by. Now the ladies of the harem of the court of King Caractacus were just passing by. Now the noses on the faces of the ladies of the harem of the court of King Caractacus were just passing by. Now the noses on the faces of the ladies of the harem of the court of King Caractacus were just passing by. Now the noses on the faces of the ladies of the harem of the court of King Caractacus were just. Now the noses on the faces of the ladies of the harem of the court of King Caractacus were just passing by. Now the boys have put the powder on.
Would it stop you from swearing, you potty mouth?
Bite me.
I will. I will later.
That's why we're keeping the light off, okay? You'll be safe in here.
Oh, wow.
Oh no, fucking baby!
Have I got to say a wish?
Go on then.
Okay.
I can't do this!
Okay, right, here we go.
Let me first of all completely condemn the scenes that we have seen on our television screens and people have witnessed
Guys, ouch! Come on!
in their communities. These are sickening scenes. Scenes of people
This virus, what are your thoughts?
looting, vandalising, thieving,
This is BBC Radio
robbing,
2 News at 6
scenes of
o'clock on the
people
25th of
attacking
August.
police
Me,
officers
Chris Hayden
and
Smith.
even attacking fire crews
Parliament was suspended today after reports of the
as they're trying to
wildfire
put
virus
out
had spread
fires.
to central London.
This is
Prime Minister
criminality,
David Cameron has
pure
been sent
and
to a safe
simple,
location,
and it has
but
to be
advised
confronted
all to stay
and
safe.
defeated.
Across the United Kingdom, many civilians
This
have
is
been
BBC
infected with the
Television
wildfire
from
virus,
London.
which has spread quickly throughout the afternoon.
Normal
It is making
programming
those
has been
infected act
suspended.
hostile towards others and making them attack others even if not provoked. It is advised all stay away from the London area itself and to
This
stay
is
indoors
BBC
until
Television
further
from
notice.
London.
Do not attempt to reach loved ones.
Normal
as you will
programming
be
has
putting
been
them in
suspended.
danger and yourselves in danger too. Make sure all doors and windows are locked and closed. No further news updates are available and all reporters have been sent to a safer unit.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC.
This virus. This virus. What are your thoughts?
Well, it's an interesting virus. It's
Of the brain?
you could say that, yeah. It certainly dominates people's thoughts.
But people have been known to attack one if they've caught it.
Well, that's maybe your opinion. To me, it's a bit like Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease.
But in Georgia, USA, and in France, they seem to know the answers to everything of this virus.
Well, you find people in some places like that, they know the answers to everything. Like,
Yeah.
But this virus is like every other virus that's ever been. It will pass.
Yeah, but
it'll disappear.
they say that the only way you can defeat anyone with this virus,
What's this?
cure them, is basically it's a skull. Basically, a bullet in the brain. That's what, according to what they say in America and
A
France.
bullet in the brain will kill anybody. You're talking about bullet in the brain is the only thing that's get rid of this.
According to what they're saying in France and America.
Yeah. Sorry. We can stop this interview right now. That's
No,
you
no,
can't go
no,
spouting
no,
nonsense.
It's just what we've been told.
Oh, you've been told. You've been told. Don't listen to everything people tell you.
No.
You'll be talking silver bullets next. He's alive.
You've seen, like, they've got this thing from the World Health Organization saying this is a new virus, it's deadly. Have you done any research at all on this?
On this? No, I'm not a researcher.
So do you call yourself a scientist, then?
No, I'm a doctor. Keep this going.
But I would put it to you that from all the evidence we have, the fact that opposition don't have chemical weapons, the fact the regime do, the fact they've used it, the fact they were attacking the area at the time, and that intelligence I've reported, that is enough to conclude that the regime is responsible and should be held accountable.
Is BBC Television from London. Normal programming has been suspended.
Yeah.
Horses?
Well, it's because so many people obviously interact with them, and the wild horses is like get kicked and just, you know, people don't suspect.
I've never heard
That's
that
sort of
one.
thing being just,
I know cows are a big killer.
Yeah, cows are a big killer
Cows
as well,
are, people just go wandering through a field thinking,
it's
they're
just
cows, they're docile, they're not going to do anything.
Especially when they're calving.
Don't walk
through a field then.
No.
If I run.
I went through a field
And I
where
remember
I was gone.
I worked in a hotel above Conway. I remember taking a shortcut over the fields after dark, a bloody torch. First time I'd done it. And I was walking the field and I heard this boom, boom, boom,
Oh,
boom,
yeah.
running towards me. And the town was independent. It wasn't a chain. It was independently
That's
run.
Barry. The Barry Cinema was independent.
Yeah. And the manager Frank.
Yeah.
His sister worked there. And the manager Frank, we used to ask him, can you get this film, can you get that film? It only had one screen, did it?
Yeah. I remember going out. All the seats were quite old. It was known for being a bit of a.
It's known for what?
It was known for having fleas. You
Really?
literally get. Sorry.
Yeah, so that's the last time I was at that cinema.
Oh God, flipping heck. I know. Yeah.
Yeah, Welsh actor Stanley Baker.
Okay.
Brilliant.
But the Valleys was that.
I don't know. Oh, come on. So real, like, you know.
I don't know.
A bit rude, isn't
That was his last film, right?
Honestly, watch
Was
it.
it? I know he was towards the end of it. You guys are supposed to use any other hallway. Can you use the other stairwell?
Fucking hell, pick up your stuff, mate. Honestly.
Where do you work?
Sorry, you were saying?
You see, behind that painting is talent behind the paintbrush.
I mean, nobody else like him. I loved the work of Rolf Harris.
Such a great artist. I mean, when I was much younger, I always looked up to him.
Rolf Harris, I searched him on YouTube. Yeah, he's brilliant.
Such talent.
Let me first of all completely condemn the scenes that we have seen.
There has been an attack on the Houses of Parliament by those who are sick with the wildfire virus. Today, the 25th of August.
Retaking, guys, from a different angle.
An attack has been made on the Houses of Parliament by those who are sick with the wildfire virus. Today, the 25th of August 2010, the virus has gone global. There is no cure.
Currently, there is no known cure. However, radiotherapy is suggested to cure the virus. However, this is still under developmental.
There is an emergency
Fucking
situation.
amateurs, get that doctor in now!
The Prime Minister and his cabinet have been safely evacuated from the House of Parliament.
To continue, you are all advised.
just me and my friend, and we just saw someone like on someone. We don't know what it was or anything. There was just someone like literally on someone, and there was someone on the floor like who was really injured, like there was blood all over them.
Oh.
Wow, that sounds really disturbing. What did you do? Did you feel alright?
No, we just ran off.
Was there any witnesses?
I tell you what, why didn't you give them the real story?
Jesus, man.
No, I'm sorry, the real story.
What story?
Did you actually look and see what was going to happen to that body?
Well, no. We just ran off. I just said.
What? It's typical, isn't it? This huge cover-up, right? People feel that nothing's going on. Have you ever ended up with swine flu?
No.
Have you ever had swine flu? Have you ever had a really serious flu?
No.
And then you haven't been able to wake up?
No.
What about having a virus where you go to sleep and then you wake up as somebody else? In other words, you come back alive from a really serious virus.
Are you okay?
Of course I'm fucking okay, okay?
Sorry, can I just interrupt a second?
Look, I've been listening to all these fairy stories, okay?
But this is part of a PTSD group.
PTSD?
Who are you?
PTSD. The other week, I was wandering along a country lane like the country lane you're talking about, and I thought it might have been the same incident, right? There was a country lane, right? And there was a man in the middle of a field, and on the ground was a sheep. And this man was eating the flesh of this sheep in the middle of a field. Gross.
Yeah.
Gross. Oh, and
usually it's the wolves that do the leftovers.
Wolves in Britain? Really? You'll say there's bears in Britain next. Look, I haven't finished my story, okay? So
easy.
I haven't finished my story.
Sorry, we're just gonna ask.
Look, I haven't finished my story. You don't interrupt, okay?
You need
I'm gonna
to
tell.
take-
No, I'm gonna tell a story, okay? Yeah, let me tell a story.
This is a
Let me
calm-
tell a story. No, let me tell a story. The man turned around, okay? His whole jaw was sloping down, and there was blood all over him. Yes, there was blood all over him, and then he started to come towards me, and the movement he was making and the noise, it was, I can't describe the noise. He was coming towards me, and he was slowly coming towards me, and I thought, I don't understand. And do you know what? The sheep was actually partly still alive. The sheep was partly still alive, and this man kept coming towards me, right? And what was even worse, you could see part of his stomach had been ripped out as well, and there was a bite mark on his neck, and there's no way this man could be alive. Are you saying, did you see anything like that?
No.
Why don't people believe me?
Can I just?
Do you believe me?
What I'd like to say is I'd like.
Do you believe me?
What I would.
Do you believe me?
Yes, I believe you.
Why?
Why? Because I'd like you to stay calm, and perhaps we could have a talk afterwards. Because this is such a quiet
believe me?
group.
Do you believe me?
It's quite.
Do you believe me?
No.
You don't believe me? No. Why don't you believe me?
Those things just don't.
Why don't you believe me? Why don't you believe me?
I would have heard something on, wouldn't I?
And you don't believe me?
Well,
do you believe me?
Those things just don't happen.
Put it this,
Oh, like this,
put it
is
this
it?
way. Put it this
like
way.
this.
Put
You
it,
believe me?
Put it this way.
You believe me?
I'm prepared to
I
listen
find it hard
to
to
you.
believe. I'm not saying I don't
What about
believe
what you saw?
Hard to believe.
That doesn't mean that they were alive.
Do you believe me?
No.
Well, it's about time you people started listening to what's going on.
Take it easy, Einstein.
Fuck you.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that interruption. I will go and speak to him afterwards. I think.
Let me first of all completely condemn the scenes that we have seen on our television screens and people have witnessed.
It's the 2nd of July, 2010.
Secret Intelligence Agency,
I'm walking
Agent
through here
437, Wildfire
To a hot
commentary.
spot of mystery and people going missing. Large
It seems
stuff
that
has been
the
reported
commentator
being torn
is
apart.
at the locality
There's rumours of
and
people
the footage
finding body
genuinely
parts,
does
human
look
remains,
real at
fresh.
the beginning.
And the local authorities and the government appear to be covering it up. I'm here today to document anything that I might find that is suspicious, to try and get it in the mainstream over to my buddy Chris Hayden-Smith from the BBC, ironically, who are also
No,
trying to cover
it's
up
rather
this issue.
interesting that
I can hear things
the
around
journalist
me. In fact, I can hear.
has found an area with this individual.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Does
Are you okay?
at initial inspection look genuine.
Sir? Can you hear me? Can you see me?
This person could be infected with wildfire.
What? Oh my God. This could be. Sir? I'm going to back off. I'm going to back off. Okay, sir? It's okay. I don't intend you any harm. I'm just going to go.
Now this next juncture is interesting.
I can hear things everywhere, aren't you?
Is the journalist really shocked, or has this been staged? This is what I don't get. He's not attacked. Surely with him filming this, he would have been attacked. These two characters do look like they've been infected by wildfire. I would conclude, however, that the footage has been faked. The journalist has not been found, though.
God, I've been bitten! Out the way! Please, no, move!
The medical officer's ill.
I believe he's ill with the virus.
I think we need to get him help.
This is all fucking bollocks.
Hey, move on, no, move on. No, not here, not here. Move.
What's going on out there?
We must leave.
We may have to leave him here.
Why? He's ill.
What can we do? We need to get help.
He's alive.
He was never in the first place.
Stop! Everyone, out here now. Go.
He's alive.
Don't leave me! Where are you going?
What's going on?
It's okay, miss. Come forward, come forward. It's a...
What's
Remain
going on?
calm, please, miss.
Oh,
Remain calm, okay? Okay, guys, out! Come on!
See where I'm going. Can you help me?
This isn't a drill. Out! Come on, miss. Come on. Come on.
Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you.
Out now. Is there anyone else in here?
You alright, sir?
You're right. I'm okay.
This way, in here. Right here. No, not that way. In here. Let's go. Wait. In you go. Ow! Stay. Stay there. No, relax.
Yes, bring her this way. The room on the right here. Let's go, there's more trouble outside. Come this way, folks. In here. In here, lads. And you go there. You'll be safe in. Right, relax. Nice and quiet.
Go, go!
dead. I don't understand. I've been bitten. Why am I not fucking dead?
Hey, keep it down, you crazy bitch. They'll see us.
Shut the fuck up, mate.
Fucking hell, I'm trying to help us, for fuck's sake.
I don't care anymore.
Just be fucking quiet.
I don't care.
Fucking quiet down. Look, they're coming.
Tony, I've lost everyone. What about this situation? Looks like it will be fine. I've been bitten. I don't understand why I'm not dead. I don't get it. Why aren't I fucking dead? Shut the fuck up.
Fucking quiet, please. I can't move.
Tony, where are you? Shut up!
Please.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! In agony. Come on! Just fucking bite me! Kill me off! Do it! Do it! I don't care anymore! Just fucking do it!
Let's get this one out of here. Yeah. Woman, yeah? Bring it this way. No need to be gentle. Not coming back. I hope. Watch your feet, lads.